Hey guys, it's Dawn over at DawnJacobson.com and thequirkypreneur.com. And today is day 4 in my 30-day vulnerability stint challenge, whatever you want to call it. So yesterday I put out a video that talked about some of the aspects around what it means to be quirky, in that it combines some different characteristics of being gifted, and a gifted adult, and also being highly sensitive and being an introvert, and combining all that with what it takes to be an entrepreneur, and especially an entrepreneur online where you need to be very visible and out there with what it is that you're doing. And I kind of received a lot of feedback, and some was great and some was not so great. And me being a sensitive person, I was kind of like, okay, well, what do I do with this? And I started to think about what the cost of vulnerability is, and is it worth it? Is it worth it to put yourself out there? And what I thought about was that it really is. It really is worth putting yourself out there, laying all of yourself on the line, being all of who you really are. First of all, because at the end of the day, at the end of 5 years, 10 years, end of your life, do I want to look back on my life and say, I had to be somebody I wasn't in order to achieve something? Or do I want to look back on my life and say, I was myself and I achieved something? And, I achieved my calling, my goals, whatever it was, whatever it is, whatever your purpose is, my purpose is. So that's one thing. The other thing is that unless you are vulnerable, you cannot connect completely with your target audience. And that in itself is going to separate. Putting yourself out there all the way, being totally authentic, it's going to talk to your target audience, and it's going to separate those that are not in your target audience. And so if you are putting yourself out there and you are getting flack and people are saying, hey, I don't like what it is that you're saying, other people are saying, hey, I like what it is that you're saying, then you're doing exactly what you need to be doing to build a brand online. Talk to you tomorrow.